Let me adjust this a little. You're going to take this throttle and push it in gently until this needle is 3 clicks past 1.800 RPM. More. A little bit more. Right about there. Right about there. You can let go now. Now we're going to check our engine instruments. Our fuel pressure is good, oil pressure is good, our battery is charging. This is stuck here, but I reported it. A sensor is broken, they're going to fix it. We know engine is cold because I touched it before, right? No problem. Our vacuum is good. Our exhaust gas temperature is good. Our hour meter is working. Now, airplane engines have 2 spark plugs per cylinder, as opposed to cars which have 1. We're going to test those because if one of the systems go down, the other one keeps us going. You're going to grab this key, go 1 easy click to the left. Just 1 click. That's one of the spark plugs working. 1 click to the right. Now very carefully go 2 clicks to the left. 1, 2. Very good. The other system working. Go 2 clicks to the right now. Very good. Excellent. Pull this out all the way. This one. Very good. It's working. It dropped a little. Push it in. All this. Good. Now pull this back gently until this needle is like 1 click past 10. Toward you. Right about there. Very good. Now we're going to test our fuel pump again. If you turn it on, this should move. Press it. There, it's moving, right? Good. You can shut it off. Good. Now look over your shoulder. I'm moving this control surface. You see it? Move the flaps down to match it. Look over, yeah. Right about there. Very good. That's the takeoff flap state. Now we're going to check our instruments. Our altitude is 1,008 feet. And we're pointing a little past west, which is this. Runway direction is 12. Okay? Good. Now turn this light on. Okay, we've done everything. Now, you can take your feet off the pedals completely. You're going to use them after we land, but you're going to use this. Hands on that one. We're going to close this. Okay? Now I'm going to look that way to make sure nobody's coming. We're going to go to the runway. You see the runway entrance? The 2 solid lines and then 2 dashed lines. You see that?
Yes.
Very good. I'm not going to cross it. We're going to turn and face it, then call the tower. Turn this knob 1 click to the left. That's tower. Good. Now I'm going to turn, and I'm not going to cross that line. Okay. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, holding short of runway 12 at Alpha for right downwind departure into Van Nuys airspace.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, runway 12, clear for takeoff, right downwind, remain inside the 5.
Right downwind departure approved inside of 5. Cleared for takeoff, runway 12, Grumman 882 Foxtrot. Now that's end of the runway, the yellow lines, then you run into those barricades. So I'm going to use the whole runway. I'm going to turn around and align. You see the center of the runway with the arrows?
Roger.
Oh, okay. I'm going to stop here. Now, take the throttle and gently push it all the way in. All the way. All the way. All the way. Now, hands on this. We're going to do this together. I'm doing the pedals to hold it on the runway center. Push the nose down so it doesn't take off quickly before we can gain some speed. A little bit this way. Okay. Now start pulling the nose up toward you slowly. A little bit more, a little bit more. Hold it like that. Notice the takeoff. Push the nose forward now so that we see power right here. Here goes straight in. You see that silver fuel tank looking thing?
Yes.
We're going to point to the right side of it. We're going to go just runway heading. Push the nose forward. Like that. Very good. You see this big pit?
Roger.
Then we're by the side of the pit here. We're going to turn straight to the center of the pit. I'm going to tell you when and how. Okay, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Now tilt to the right a little. Pull to your chest a little. There you go, like that, like that. Notice how it turns? And when we face the freeway, bring the wings level, parallel to the mountains. All level, very good. Now push the nose down a little so that we can see. We're going to go this way now. Tilt and little pull to your chest. Very good, excellent. Excellent. See the airport?
Yep.
Now when we face the roads like this, wings parallel to the mountain. Push the nose forward, like that. We're going to go parallel to the runway. Pull the flaps up, all the way up.
Whiteman Tower, Cessna 26504 with hotel.
Helicopter, Niner Mike Sierra, Whiteman Tower, enter left traffic, runway 12, report to Beam Tower.
Left traffic 12, report to Beam Tower, Mike Sierra.
Cessna 26504, Whiteman Tower, make it straight in runway 12, clear to land.
We're going to go to 2,000 feet.
Clear to land, runway 12504.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, contact Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
Van Nuys Tower 119.3, 82 Foxtrot. Now push this button, please.
For Foxtrot on the LDI, Charlie, approach with you.
Skype 1414 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower. Right traffic, correction, circle 1 mile west of Van Nuys Airport, right traffic 16 right, follow Challenger 10 mile follow.
We have missed approach instructions from SoCal 141 for Foxtrot.
Yeah, 1 for Foxtrot, same match approach instructions.
Turn right heading 210 when advised by you to 3,500 back.
Gonna follow the freeway.
For Foxtrot.
Skype 14 Foxtrot, roger, continue approach.
We'll continue approach 14 Foxtrot.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, 118.5 interchange, requesting transition through Van Nuys airspace south along 405.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, squawk 0236, connect Van Nuys Tower 120.2.
Squawk 0236, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.282 Foxtrot. Okay, we're going to change the frequency. That's okay. 0.2. We're going to go to 1,800 right there, pull it to your chest to hold it. Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot. Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, patience. Be patient, Grumman 82 Foxtrot. Van Nuys altimeter 3012. South 101 approved at 1,800. Report the 180 turn.
Roger. South 101 approved at 1,800. Report the 180 turn. 82 Foxtrot.
Niner Mike Sierra.
Okay,
Contact Burbank Tower now.
That's 405 freeway.
Okay.
And this boulevard is Sepulveda here. We're going to stay over Sepulveda. We're going to go all the way to the mountains.
PV9, once the...
Okay, and we're going to stay at 1,800 feet. So pull it to your chest until it gets there, then push the nose down so that you can see over the nose. Now, bring this needle to 0. A little bit more down. There you go, excellent. You can see downtown LA. And you can see that black mountain, which is Palos Verdes. And push the nose down. I'm going to put some power, and you can see little mountains in the sea. That's the Santa Catalina Island.
Okay.
Push the nose down a little bit more because it's going to want to go up because we're going faster. Van Nuys Airport. Right
Okay.
here.
Helicopter 744 Never Charlie, Van Nuys Tower, departure northwest, ramp with the outshore risk.
Push the nose down.
Approved.
Very good. We're going about 90 miles an hour. If you push the nose a little bit more down, you can go faster. There you go. A little bit more down. Push and hold. Push and hold. Push and hold. Forward, yeah, like that. Nose little tilted like that. Notice our speed is 100 miles an hour. 110 miles an hour, actually near 120. That's knots. Push the nose a little bit more down. Notice we're going up. And hold it down like that. Very good. Wings level. Wings are level when these are parallel there. Very good. Push the nose down. Notice you're instinctively pulling up. And you can see the Catalina Island now clearly light in the sea.
Roger.
Push the nose down, we're going up. Hold it down like that. Very good. Wings level. Wings level. Level, 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 level. Like that. Okay, we're going to slow down a little. Keep the nose down. Like that.
You're doing great, Joe.
Thank you.
Look good from back here.
Very nice. And you'll see Burbank Airport there in the distance. I'm going to show you in a little while. Very good. Oh, very good. Now you can see the Burbank runway going like that. Very good. Burbank jets come in this way and pass over us. Today, right now, there isn't any. Now I'm going to show you an emergency maneuver. Very good. Say we're going like this, and the mountains are coming up, and the airplane wouldn't climb. What are we going to do? Run into the mountains? No. What we're going to do is we're going to make a very sharp left turn without braking on next though, and without losing altitude. Push the nose down. This is Balboa Park. You can go park for free there and watch the ducks and everything, and it's very nice.
82 Foxtrot, how much further south will you be going?
Just to the south of 101 to Ventura Boulevard, 882 Foxtrot.
From 82 Foxtrot, due to traffic coming eastbound, make the 180 turn north of the 101 freeway.
Roger, make the 180 north of the 101, 882 Foxtrot. Now, ready? Ready? We're going to turn north of this 101, 101 profile. Now, what we do is, oh my God, mountains are coming in. What are we going to do? Here's what we do. Pull the power to idle, tilt the airplane, pull it to your chest, pull hard. There you go. Hold it like that. Push the nose little forward, little forward, little forward. Push the nose down. Push the nose down. V-gain 200 feet. There you go.
Encore 5 and Isaac Tower, is that what Burbank tagged you up as?
See the southwest going to Burbank? Oh, okay. You like the turn? We turn within the street.
Very nice.
Cherokee 44566, you're going to have to talk to Encore and that flight school. You can't just arbitrarily go, I'm Encore, when you're tagged up as 44566. That causes confusion. You stick with the call sign, okay? So descend to 1,800, wind variable at 5, altimeter's 3013, left traffic 16 left.
Runway 16 left, we'll start off that Cherokee 566.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, contact Whiteman Tower.
Contact Whiteman Tower 135.0, Grumman 882 Foxtrot. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, beam the Van Nuys Tower over Sepulveda, inbound the land.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, enter right base, runway 12, report to 5.
Enter right base runway 12, report 118.5 interchange, 882 Foxtrot. We're going to go follow Sepulveda all the way to the 118 freeway. And you're flying. Very good. Excellent. Nose down, forward a little. Very good. Now when we're at the freeway there, you're going to turn to the intersection. You see the 118.5 intersection?
Yep.
And you're going to climb the 2,000 feet. Move the needle up there, okay? Very good. Now start turning to the intersection and climb up. Pull it to your chest, very good. And then you see the intersection, wings level. Right about there, very good, wings level. Push the nose down, we're at 2,000 feet. Very good, excellent. Now hold it like that. You see the Whiteman Airport there?
Right.
Right at the tail of the little hill.
Right.
Hold us at 2,000 feet. Now give me all the flaps down. Push the nose. Notice it's coming up. We're getting more support all the way down. Hold the nose down because we want to go down, right? All the way down. Very good. Now back to steering. Okay, we're going to hold the nose down like this. We're going to go like that, follow the freeway, then turn toward the runway and land. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, right at 118 and 5 interchange.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, runway 12, clear to land.
Runway 12, cleared to land, 882 Foxtrot. Our speed is perfect. We're going to go toward that Costco, you see it?
Roger.
And then we're going to gently turn toward the runway. Gently, not a sharp turn. When the flaps are down, they're kind of sluggish. So we don't want to do anything sharp.
Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, circle north of the field, enter a left downwind, and report crossing the 5.
We'll report crossing the 5.
Now start gently turning toward the runway. Very good. Now we don't want to come down too far because notice there are power poles, everything. And notice those two white lights by the runway? They say we're high, but that's good because if something happens here, how are we going to make it to the runway? We're going to run into the cars and buildings and everything. So all we do is we stay high like this and approach slowly. Then we can't land at the, right at the beginning of the runway here. We have to go to that white line. This is the numbers 1, 2. Okay, push the nose down so that we don't stall. Very good. And just point to the numbers. Point to the numbers. Point to the numbers. Now lift the nose a little bit up, just like, not too much, just like that. Just right there, a little bit up. Hold it up, 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 up. Up, 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 there you go. Like the landing? Not bad, huh? See whether we can exit at Charlie. Well, maybe we can. Alright. Like that. There you go, pull the flaps up.
Fire 12, first exchange approved.
Fire 12, thanks, we'll see you.
Oh, let's go. Whiteman ground, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, clear of runway 12 at Charlie, taxi to parking.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha to parking, 882 Foxtrot. Feet are on the brakes. Shut this light off. A little bit that way. A little bit top of the right foot. Yeah, a little bit more and hold your foot in so that it doesn't go that way. There you go, a little bit more. Now we're going to do a little bit more taxi. We have a little time. We came in fast, so you practice. We're going to go this way. Rest top of the right foot, more, a little bit more, top of the right, but left to left, go a little bit more. You have to hold your foot in. Don't let go. There
Stop 112 for Foxtrot, roger, report base.
Now we're going to take this right turn that way. That way. Top of the right foot. And stay on the line. A little harder. Hard right foot. Harder. There you go. Once it turns, you're going to let the right foot go and press the top of the left foot. Right about there. Very good. Press hard because notice it's turning. You have to convince it to go that way. Very good. Ah, you're getting used to it. Now we're going to turn right following this yellow line, like that. Top of the right foot. Harder. There you go. Very good. Now we're going to continue down. Notice an airplane passing by. Top of the left foot now, hold the nose. Notice a car coming up. In that area, in this area here, cars can, trucks can come in, people can bicycle, motorcycle, chase dogs, any number of things. So we have to look for these things. Now we're going to go straight down past that car. I'm going to show you how to make a very fast 180 turn on the ground, but we're going to get past the car. That's a Channel 4 helicopter, they maintain it here. They're fixing it. Now look back, make sure nobody's coming, all the way back. Anybody coming? Huh? Negative? Good. Now when I tell you press top of the left foot very hard. Press top of the left foot all the way hard. Notice how fast it turns? Let go now. Top of the right foot. There you go.
Sky 14 Foxtrot, runway 12, clear to land.
We're going to go park here, but I'm going to help you because there's the other plane in the way a little. And it's your first time. I don't want you to run into trouble. Now we're going to park in the spot 1 there. The only problem is our wing is going to sweep under the wing of this one, and we don't want to hit that chain there with our wing. So I'm going to steer a little. And that's one problem. After we pass this, now you have to avoid its tail. There we go. Now we have to go to our parking spot, which is right here, and then align the airplane right. Notice the blackbirds? There you go, a little bit more maybe. More or less here. Okay, now we're going to shut the airplane down according to the checklist. First thing you do is press this VFR. And press and hold this button until it goes off. Now click this all the way to the left until it goes off. Click. There you go. Same here. When it shuts down completely, pull this all the way out. Now only air is going to go to the engine, and guess what's going to happen? It's going to stop. Key to off, pull it out, put it up here. Shut all the lights off, not the other way. All opposite down, all keys down. Shut the battery cut off. Cut the battery off.